Hey everybody, me again, Channing, practical Paracord. Today's video, I'm showing y'all how to make the old rusty ball, y'all. It's a thing invented by, I think, old Jaeger or Jaegoor, MrJaegoor. I'll leave a video in the description below. But anyway, it's just some sand balls wrapped up in some balloons, y'all. Very simple to make. Let's break it down. That's how I make mine. He has a video of how to make them, but I think it's in German. But it's still kind of self-explanatory. I'll put them in my store. You know, if y'all want to just buy it instead of make it, but it's real easy. All right, what you gonna need? We have, what I'm using is some 7-inch balloons, 12-inch balloons, got from old Wally World. Pair of scissors, a measuring cup. This is 1/3 of a cup, a funnel, and some sand, y'all. Very simple. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the big balloon, the 12-incher, right? You take that, put your funnel in it. Like I said, this is 1/3 of a cup. All right, put that in the balloon. All right, now I like to get all that sand down. Okay, push all the sand down. Okay, bam. So now you got your balloon like that. Then what I do, I just cut it right above the sand. Don't need that no more. All right, now you take your smaller balloons, 7 inches. 9 inches work too. Last ones I used were 9 inches, but we're just gonna do these, right? So we got 5 is a good number to start off with. I think 5's good, but you can always go more and they'll last longer, right? What you do is you take off all these little tips of 5 small balloons. All right. And I mean, I'm just cutting them like right here, y'all. It doesn't have to be too perfect. Now, what I do is I take it and I wrap this one, the small balloon, around the bigger balloon, right above the cut hole so it's sealed. Okay, got us a good little start. That's one. A 2. 3. 4, a good idea. Make your outside balloon a little bright so you don't lose it. And another fun fact about these is after you throw it, if you damage it anyway, or you know, leave it out in the sun, it starts to dry rot, you can always add balloons after, you know. Bam. There it is, y'all. Very easy and simple. And with this much sand, this is about I think 1.5 ounces. You know, pretty light, and you can still throw it pretty good. Made a video yesterday, the 100 rock video, throwing big rocks, and the camera died, and I didn't want to do it again because it's starting to hurt my arm, so I was throwing some big rocks. And big rocks are fun, but you know, for training, get something consistent like this right here, y'all. All right, another good thing about these is when you throw it against a wall, it won't bounce all over the place. It'll hit and stick. All right, let's check it out. Oh. Oh, Olaf. I got some more just to show you. I got another camera, slow motion, just to show you how it acts against the wall. Alright, look at that. See, it flattens up. Roll it back up. Bam, you got a ball. Now see this one got a little scratch because it probably, you know, hit the bucket or hit something. But all you gotta do is throw some more balloons on it, y'all. You know, the ones in the store, I'll make sure to have 8 instead of 5, just for a little, you know, redundancy, I guess. I don't know, that might not be the right word, but there it is, y'all. I want to make it real quick, something for y'all to do, real easy. This was 99 cents a piece. Yeah, get y'all some rusted balls and go throw it against the wall or something, y'all. You shouldn't hurt nothing. They're gonna last a long time. Shout outs to MrJaegoor for showing this. His videos is in like German, so you know, I was just trying to make it a little quick, a little easy one for y'all. And like I said, they will be on the store soon. Hope y'all like what y'all see today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend. If you do, tell me that notification bell. Bang!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now, all the slinging techniques, paracord and legend. I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to practical paracord. Let's go. Hey, only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, backing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out practical paracord. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.